You okay? Careful. You get tired. I haven't even been counting to see how many times she's been doing that. You better fall.
Careful. Colin! Colin! Are you fussing at me? Bye. Doing it again.
Colin.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh. Yeah.
Bye-bye. I love you. Oh.
Colin, say bye-bye.
Nana's getting her living room that looks like it's been turned upside down. It looks like an explosion has gone off. The explosion is called Colin.
Because you got that right.
Give me
You got
kiss.
that right.
Kiss me. No.